FGEN stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether FibroGen stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. 50% down for the day. Bro, if I go and check FibroGen from here, let's just go like weekly chart or whatever. Says that I'm waiting for my rules to be met, and that doesn't lie. That's exactly what I waited for. Ideally, I wanted to see like a double break to maybe take like a short-term kind of buy, because got first break here, second break supposed to be there, but this thing, I don't like it at the moment. Never gave me the rules because it just started consolidating, so I just kind of said, freak it, you know. I'm not gonna look at this thing. And from how this is behaving, I just genuinely think we're just gonna take out the lows. It's not like I have anything personal against FGEN, it's just how it's behaving, you know. And I made 24,000 videos over the last 4 years, so discretion is something that's a skill. Can only be learned after a lot of time behind the chart. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews 5 stars. See you in the next one.